We all have a comfort zone. It's that place where we feel safe, content, and in control. But as comforting as it may be, staying in our comfort zone can hold us back from reaching our true potential. Take Alexander Graham Bell, for example. Before he invented the telephone, he was a teacher of the deaf. It was a good job, and he could have stayed there, but he decided to take a risk and try something new. His invention changed the world. Or Rosa Parks, who refused to give up her seat on a bus to a white person. She knew that staying in her comfort zone of obeying the laws of segregation would never lead to progress. Her brave action sparked a movement that helped to end racial segregation. And let's not forget Steve Jobs. He left a successful company to start a new one. His risk paid off, and Apple became one of the most innovative and valuable companies in the world. But stepping out of our comfort zone is easier said than done. It requires patience, persistence, and a willingness to take risks. Just like a rock climber who takes a risk by scaling a mountain, we must be willing to step out of our comfort zone to reach new heights. It may mean taking on a new challenge, like learning a new skill or taking a course to advance our career. It may mean pushing ourselves to speak in public, even if we're afraid of being judged. It may mean traveling to a new place, experiencing a different culture, and meeting new people. It will be very difficult to cover every field and aspect of life that you might be related to in order to understand what is your comfort zone and how you can step out of it. We can consider only the students entering into higher studies in information technology or the folks working in the IT industry. Being a student, follow excellence and not success. Grades are good metrics, but not always. Down the road, you will be entering the IT industry. Preparing for that, during the degree, will be the step out of your comfort zone. Attend coding workshops, participate in coding competitions, and collaborate with other students on coding projects. These opportunities can help you grow your coding skills, learn from other people's approaches, and develop a sense of community with others in the field. Know the current technologies and trends, create a mindset of innovation, and try to go for a final year project that solves a problem in the industry or research community. If your degree covers broader knowledge, then work on the broader view of your knowledge. Study each subject as if you are only studying that subject. Focus on one thing at a time. If it is a specialized master's degree, then think like a specialist. Try to stay connected with people in the industry, get the guidance, read great articles and blogs, follow channels on technologies and soft skills, and try to acquire the best communication and problem-solving skills. During your degree, take a teaching assistantship. It will polish your basic concepts greatly, and you will be prepared well to answer basic and technical questions in the big giant companies in the software industry. Being in the IT industry, working 9 to 5 in a company, probably in maintaining their ecosystem using the same legacy code, same technologies, and methodologies will be your comfort zone. Your growth will stop if you are at the edge of your learning curve. Always keep a learning curve ahead. Technologies do not remain the same, even if it is a giant like Google search. One day bots like ChatGPT become a challenge for big search businesses. Acquiring knowledge is not all about memorizing facts and repeating them when needed, but it is about getting skills to think, analyze, solve, unlearn, and learn again, to change if the time requires. If there is an abrupt change in the trends, and you cannot change yourself according to the new challenges, then you have not learned to get out of your comfort zone. Your comfort zone will push you back and you will miss the train of the new times. Being very flexible to change, having a broader knowledge of your field, keeping an eye on the changing trends, and following the continuous process of learning. Always keep in mind that you are not here to solve every problem. Do consider a job function that interests you, for instance, software architecture and design, and consider doing certifications. Get hands-on experience in the current technologies, but keep eye on the future trends in that job function. Use social networks to be connected with people who work in similar job functions. Answer questions on forums, and attend events relating to innovation, trends, challenges, and technologies. Go for your own endeavors and open your own company. Last but not least, always provide guidance to the public and the next generation. Let them not repeat the mistakes you did. After all, being only a feelingless machine is also a kind of comfort zone. The point is, we must be willing to take risks and try new things, even if it means stepping out of our comfort zone. It won't always be easy, but the rewards can be tremendous. So go ahead, take that first step. You might just surprise yourself with what you're capable of.